Yoginamapi sarvesam madgata antaratmana. That is the supermost, topmost position of yogi. Annavilasita sunnam. We have to make everything material zero. Annavilasita sunna. Sunna means zero. Annavilasita sunnam jnana karmadhanavritam. In this material world, the jnana bhumika or the modes of goodness, that is very estimated. So, transcending that position also. Karma is lower position. Karmi is the child is disturbed. Jnana karma dhanavritam anukullena krishnanusrilanam. Simply remain prepared how to execute the order of Krishna. Anukullena. Krishna says this, now I must do it. That is Vasudeva Uktakarina. Ukta means whatever he says. So the Krishna conscious life is not very difficult. It is very easy. In 1 second, if he agrees, yes, Krishna, whatever you say, I shall do. That Arjuna did at last. After hearing the whole Bhagavad Gita, when Krishna asked, inquired from him, now what is your decision? Krishna never interferes with your decision. You have got little independence, Krishna has given you, but if you use your independence, do not like to obey the orders of Krishna, that is your business, you can do that. Krishna will not interfere with you. But Krishna said that if you want actually happiness, liberation, then follow what I say. That is Krishna's request. As we are sovereign, Krishna can order that you must do it. That Krishna does not say. Never. Kuru, he says, sarvadharman parityajya mamekam saranam braja. You do it. He doesn't say you must. That is your option. You can deny it. And that is going on. Krishna is instructing everything perfectly. But why people are not doing? That is his discretion. That Krishna gives always. After teaching Bhagavad Gita thoroughly, he asked Arjuna, now Arjuna, I have spoken to you everything. Now it is up to you to do it or not to do it. Jathechasi, tatha kuru. Jatha ichchasi, whatever you like, you do. He doesn't force. But Arjuna, that is, means knowledge. Arjuna said, Nashto moha, my illusion is now over. Nashto moha sati labdha. Now I am remembering, I am memorizing my position. Tat prasadadmas, by your grace. So, karishe vachanam taho. Now I shall act as it is. This is perfection. Whenever we decide that now we shall act as Krishna says, then our life is perfect. Vasudeva Uktakarina. They are smiling. When the Jamadutas challenge them, they say, who are you? You look like very nice, coming from some very, very nice place. You are very well dressed and you are all young men and nicely dressed. Everything. Oh, why you are interfering with our business? So they were smiling. They are smiling because they knew their business. They knew their business. They have come to rescue Vajramin by the order of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. So they know their position, that we have come from the Supreme Controller. You cannot do any more this thing. That is your foolishness. They were smiling. What this foolish person are asking us questions. Our position is like that. Anyone who is preaching Krishna consciousness, you may protest against Krishna consciousness. We shall smile. That's all. We know our duty. Yes. We shall simply smile that what this nonsense speaking. We shall go on forward because we are carrying the order of Krishna. We shall be protected in every respect. Nobody can supersede our order. This is our position. So they are smiling. What this nonsense are speaking. Yeah. So, Tana Prattuchu Prahasya idam Megha Nirahada, just like clouds when sound, everything stops. Megha Nirahada. So, the point is that those who are preaching Krishna consciousness, if they are strictly following Vasudeva Ukta, whatever Vasudeva has said, or the Vasudeva representative has said, if he is simply prepared to carry out the orders, then his position is very secure. His position is very secure. So, we are Krishna conscious men, or we are known as Hare Krishna men. Anyway, so we are not manufacturing something imaginary. That is not our position. Vasudeva Ukta. We are simply executing what Vasudeva has spoken. That's all. So our task is very easy, because we haven't got to manufacture, tax our brain to create something nonsense. No. Our position is very clear. Krishna has said, Manmana bhavavad bhakta madhyaji namaskuru. This is Krishna's word. So many things, these are important things. Krishna says that always think of me. So we are saying the same thing. My dear friend, my dear student, my dear son, chant Hare Krishna. Then he'll think of Krishna. Manmana. And who will chant Hare Krishna? Madhbhakta. Unless one agrees to become a devotee of Krishna, why he'll chant? Manmana bhava madbhakta. Madhyaji, you worship me. That we have created this temple. Come on, worship Krishna. And Mang Namaskuru. And whoever comes to the temple, he offers obeisances. We teach how to offer obeisances as soon as we enter. This is our business. Where is the difficulty? There is no difficulty. Either you are learned, or a fool, or rich, or poor, or black, or white, or American, or Indian, or Hindu, Muslim, never mind. Take this lesson. You become perfect. So human society should take advantage of this movement and do these four things only. Manmana bhava madbhakta madhyarima. Then what is it? Mame vaishyasya samsara. I guarantee you come back to home, back to God. By this way. Thank you very much.